What up, guys? Brapaholic here. I'm chilling with my buddy Cowylicious, and we got my buddy TJ with us today too on his WR250. I picked up a Senna the other day, so hopefully we got some dual vlogs going and we can actually hear Cowylicious. He's having some problems right now with his Senna, and he can't hear me. So, oh my god, your volume's way too loud. We're still tweaking out the bugs on the whole dual vlog setup, but we just sat at a gas station for 20 fucking minutes and you said you didn't need gas.
Well, I didn't think I needed gas.
You can make it.
What?
You can make it.
Hopefully I don't run out of gas.
Well, if you do, we can pull off my gas hose and fill up like a bottle or something.
Yeah.
Never been truly stranded, have you, Cowylicious? You don't know what it's like to be up the river without a paddle. Oh man, yeah, so this is going to be probably one of the last videos on the supermoto for about a week or so, because I'm going to have to pull the rear wheel off. My wheel bearings are going bad, guys. I had a feeling they were going bad, and they're finally, I got some space in the back wheel there. It's clicking back and forth, so hopefully I get home tonight, but if not, I guess I'll just sleep at McDonald's or something. Guarantee it's your beta Apple software.
Well, no.
Don't be a beta male. Be an alpha male. Yeah, we wasted a lot of time trying to get these Sennas paired, guys. So we're on our ride to St. Louis now. Hopefully it's decent and we can get back before it gets too crazy dark. Oh, that guy is sprinkling himself. Did you see that? We gotta get some shots. I'm not waiting for him. You're still going? I didn't know you were actually gonna go. I was wondering, because I was like, oh, he's in third, never mind. Damn right, maybe you should wait, Cowylicious, instead of just...
I'm gonna run out of fucking gas.
Oh, look at him bounce that beast up. Hell yeah. Get it, buddy. Get it, yeah. Woo! That was sick. I like having other people to film doing wheelies, dude, instead of just me. No offense to Cowylicious here for playing it safe.
I can't hear anything you're saying.
Okay, cool. No, this is actually a 250. He just put ZX-10 stickers on it because he wanted to be cool. Right, Cowylicious? Yeah, he... Alright, so we're finally cruising, guys, after like the 10 millionth stop tonight. We already got the sun going down and we just started, so it's probably gonna be a death. Oh god, I'm like going off the road, Jesus. I'm part of the redliners. Hell yeah, dude, that's what I do. I ride red line, how about you? Fine, bro. You just gotta get some skills. I don't know, dude, every time I hit a corner, I just see you fall way behind. There we go. Bitch at me all this time to get a Senna, and then I do, and then it doesn't work.
Because I kept my settings.
Oh, my rear wheel feels so clinky, dude. I can't believe I held that up that long. It was... in third. I didn't want to be in third. I'm gonna do another. Hell yeah! Woo! Get that bitch up, boy! Oh. That's alright. We'll get him next time. I'm gonna wrist, if you know what I'm saying. I have to fix his helmet. see if the Duel vlog setup is working. Right now, we're definitely experiencing some technical difficulties.
Oh, it's a tractor.
Hey, they my tractor sexy. Hey, what's up, bro? I can hear Cowylicious just fine, but he can't hear me at all. Oh, dude, it's so loose. God, I'm not riding this anymore until I get it fixed. Why don't you do it and impress the chicks that are coming?
Because they're 12.
Alright. Oh, what a nice fucking guy!
What's everybody doing? Oh god, I'm scared.
Thank you, bro! America! Back there was where my buddy Eric actually looped his bike once. Toss the clip in, right here.
Guess we can do a stand-up wheelie down here.
I guess. I'll probably fuck up and steer like straight into him.
Probably, but I'll get it on footy, so that'll be great.
Yeah. Ooh, I almost...
Gotta go faster, bro.
At one point and had to come down.
We can get up and slow down.
Oh, TJ's still chasing it. Oh, there it goes.
Alright, like you guys are actually...
So you can what? Oh god.
Don't die, dude.
I got started a little too early. And now I'm all the way back here by myself. I'm all by my lonesome. Yeah. He'll chase them all through 5th gear. Fuck yeah, dude. That's how I used to ride. And then I started getting them a little higher and slowing them down.
Don't hit the guardrail.
I gotta set down so I can make this corner. I really steered away from the guardrail in that one. It seems like I can figure out the steering when it's life or death, but when I'm actually like just trying to do it for fun, I can't. That'd be tight. TJ's bouncing to his house real quick, and then we're gonna meet back up.
I don't
I'll just nut up and pass on a solid yeller. Motovlogging setup. Once I hit like my millions of subscribers and get like super popular, I'll eventually upgrade to I'd probably actually get like one of those.
30K, bro.
No, I'd probably just get one of those helmets.
Oh, the momentum? Yeah.
Yeah. Your mic's not plugged in. It's the cord's in the camera, but the come here.
It's green.
Oh shit! Oh no!
You stalled.
I don't know how I stalled, but it just stalled. Yeah, you should probably just give it up. But don't lose the mic adapter.
I got it.
Nice. We're going to pick up the Grom. It's getting dark out. I don't really like riding the supermoto in the dark. We're going to pick up the Grom. We're going to fix Cowylicious' helmet so that he can actually hear what I'm saying. And we're going to meet back up with TJ. I don't know what you're saying. But we're going to meet back up with TJ and go do some cruising through town. I guess I'll text Eric. Should I text Eric? Hey, dude. Look at those socks. Those are like retro. Talking about your tube socks. Where'd you get them? Where'd you get your socks?
My mama gave them.
They're sick. Yep. Are you going straight?
Yeah.
Okay, I think
I'm on your right side.
Oh.
Kill me.
Oh, Jesus. I was like giving you room. Alright, TJ split off. We're riding with my boy Eric now. And Cowylicious. Alright, we're back. So I guess the microphone on my Senna is a piece of junk, which is pretty cool because, you know, I just bought it today, so that's pretty sweet. So we're going back to my house real quick to see if it's the mic. We're gonna test the boom mic. Then we're gonna get out there and do some fucking Grom riding and stuff. My boy Eric's with us on his WR250. Oh, Cowalicious is upset about getting kill switched. New unit came with a bad universal mic, so we did a bunch of troubleshooting and we found out that it was my mic, and I plugged in the boom mic that came with mine and it's working. You can hear me, right, Cowie?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, you can hear me now. So I'm gonna have to contact Senna and have them send me out a replacement. I'm pretty.
There, watch him pull in between him.
I made room. Is your high beam on? Is your high beam on? No? It's bright as shit. That's crazy. I don't know where it's at. I can't see it. I looked for it and I couldn't find it. Couldn't find it. I looked for it. It looks like he's almost covering it up. He knows it's coming. Tires are so cheap.
Come up here. Come up here and kill switch him.
I'm not gonna do that.
If it's on my side, I'll kill switch him.
It should be on my side, but I don't know for sure. To find out. Oh, you want to race, bro? I'll smoke your Prius.
Get it.
Smoked him.
Yeah.
Got him.
You don't like making the first move, bro?
I don't like making money moves.
Get it, bro. That was sick.
It was pretty sick, wasn't it?
Talk to us, dude. He knows they're gonna kill this.
Yeah, he knows you'll switch him. Like this cool road they put in, like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The road that's off to the right.
Yeah, we're gonna hit that. Yeah. Alright, I'm making friends so that he'll come closer next time.
It's all part of the plan.
Gotta draw him in with kindness and then kill switch him.
Do it, bro.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah, bro.
I know my stoppie was fucking lit though. I'm gonna get up close to him and see if I can spot his kill switch.
Oh, we're going in for a scouting attack.
I think I see it, dude.
Oh shit, bro.
I think I see it. Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. Okay. He took his hands off his bars. He doesn't even know he's about to get got. Want to see what a real bright looks like? That was pretty cool. And wherever he goes, I'm gonna go. The pizza gotta go.
Yeah, bro. Oh, never mind.
You gotta tell me what you're doing when we're having an indecisive moment like that. It doesn't help when you just go for it. Yeah, there's Eric doing one. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna try it. Like call him up to you. This is genius.
What are you guys doing?
Got him! Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. And then he just outruns me anyway.
That's funny shit.
Sorry, dude. We're
Come on, then he looks over at you.
like I couldn't see it and I couldn't find it, and I was like fingering around for a minute until then he moved his arm and I saw it and I was like, oh! What?
What are all those?
Oh shit, what is it? They're coons! Let's get the footy. Look at the coons!
They're babies! Oh my god!
I don't get it. Your name's Cowalicious, but your bike's name is Kiwi?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know, there's 68 subscribers now, so why don't you just fuck right off?
Yeah.
How many do you have? 1? And I can change that real quick if you keep your mouth... Where?
Up ahead. I think those...
Yeah, I see them, I see them. That's coons!
Oh, there's a bunch of... Holy shit, dude! There's like Animal Planet out here!
There's more raccoons. Is there a full moon? Don't animals move more during like a full moon?
Oh, I can't look. That's where I'm gonna, like right here. Like right at the end. Oh Jesus, don't kill me, Eric. Because I want a picture of you. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not worried about a car coming, so...
Just did that, but I just told her I went in there to get my chair and I said she's a friend.
I think she's got something wrong up here.
Probably.
Yeah.
No.
Damn, look at this thing. It's been like nailed.
I got some pretty sick pics, dude, for the Insta. Oh, yeah. I have so many followers, honestly, because it's not free, but she ain't got no money or no shit, so like she can fucking post stuff.
Damn, Cowalicious, don't drop your bike.
It's fucking...
Full moon, full blood moon. That might be why animals are all moving around.
You're that guy.
Yeah, I tried to get a high five from him, but he was like too busy escorting us.
That's funny.
Jesus, dude.
I said turn right.
That guy's just sitting down here by himself.
Hey man, sometimes you just gotta think. Oh shit, I almost hit the wall.
Jesus.
Want to try him again?
Yeah, it's still not working.
There's a bunch of people up here.
Are there?
Yeah. Spot though, bro. Got Eric. Eric's showing off.
What?
Well, it's like a key card. Trust me, we tried. We were gonna get it on video, but it has a key card that you have to swipe. It's on the fucking roof.
Oh, what the fuck? Is that?
Really?
Be careful, guys. I was gonna. I don't see the kid up there.
Okay. Oh, the other hand. Other hand. I was hoping you'd take a hand out and stall it. Well,
Damn, that's a sick truck.
Autobot!
Dude, that thing is tight. With all the lights and horn for me, but now he's probably not gonna see me. Damn it, you didn't hear me, you didn't see me.
It's not like it's some like fucking like dude that looks like he just got out of prison. Like sitting on my couch.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
Smoked him! Got him! He wanted to race and he got wrecked! Look at him all the way back there trying to put his bike in neutral. I'm sorry, Cowalicious. I didn't mean it.
I'm gonna kick you over.
Oh, Cowalicious' bike won't start unless it's in neutral. So
I'm about to drop the clutch in, but
oh yeah, that's true. Oh, good times, Cowie. Good times. I can't believe you didn't see that coming as I'm like inching closer and closer to
I'm
you.
trying to figure out what the fuck you were doing. I'm gonna literally take your key out of your bike, dude, and throw it. You're gonna chop your bike.
I know what you're doing, dude.
Yeah, probably.
Yo, get out of here. Give me my key. You got a lot of balls leaving your key at the same time. I could have just rode off with it. You know, I can't keep up with him. Later, brah. Jesus, dude, that's so much backfire. And if you're wondering where Cowalicious is eating tonight, that's where.
I have to have a kill switch.
Alright guys, I think me and Cowalicious are about to split off. I think he's heading home. It's getting kind of late. It's almost midnight. I'm heading home. I gotta go to school tomorrow. It is midnight, yeah. So the vlog, it was, you know, again, a little bit more troubleshooting. We had some mic problems. Turns out my Senna mic was bad. Alright guys, so yeah, that's gonna be it for the night. See ya.